I don't really shoot black and white a lot until I tried black and white photography on this tiny pocket-sized tight budget camera. Welcome back my fellow shutterbags. Today we are diving into the intriguing world of black and white photography using a camera that's a budget friendly as my monthly coffee habit. But let's be real. I think all my cameras basically fall into that tight budget category. So drumroll please. Allow me to introduce you to the fabulous yet discontinued Fujifilm XQ series, starring out hero, the Fujifilm XQ1. Da 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 da! I snagged this beauty for the pricely sum of $122, and while it came with a few quirks like a play button that decided to take a permanent nap. Did you see that? And some missing screws. Nevertheless, I've come to embrace its imperfect charm. It's almost like using a vintage film camera, you know? And you know what? I'm totally here for it. Now, when I first got my hands on this little pocket-sized wonder, I was practically bouncing with excitement. The reason? The promise of trying out different film recipes. You know, if you've been following my channel, you know I'm all about getting that film look from my digital cameras. Don't get me wrong, I adore my film camera, but let's face it, film photography can make your wallet cry more than a tear-jerker movie. Fast forward to some epic experiments. I tried out various film simulation on this camera, which share its sensor with the Fujifilm X100S, which is the X-Trans2 sensor. But here's the plot twist. I didn't quite find the film sims that stole my heart. I think for color photography, my heart still belongs to my Fujifilm XE1, sporting the original X-Trans sensor. Well, people have been saying that the original X-Trans sensor has the most filmic look, so I think it's like the George Clooney of camera sensors. You know, timeless and charming, I think. Now, let me spill the beans about how I stumbled upon the Fujifilm XQ series. There is this photographer on YouTube, goes by the name of De Rosa. He basically used his XQ2 as a pocket-sized monochrome powerhouse to replace his Olympus XA film camera. Well, it turns out the XQ2 and my trusty XQ1 are like two peas in a pod when it comes to spec. So I thought, why not try some black and white magic on my XQ1? But the only catch, De Rosa didn't spill the beans on his specific black and white recipe. So, time to put on my lab coat and experiment, I think. The results? Let's just say I was more shocked than a character in a good mystery novel. You can customize your settings to create black and white images that match your unique styles. Well, I'm seriously considering making this tiny camera my guru for black and white photography. I mean, just look at it. It's so compact, it practically moonlights as a front pocket accessory. It's become my daily sidekick, joining me on all my photography escapades. The autofocus is impressively quick and responsive, even in challenging low light conditions. Additionally, it also features built-in in-body image stabilization for added stability. I think what I really like about this camera is how fast the shutter is. There is almost no delay. Compared to my Canon SX230, for example. Look at that. How fast that is. Well, this pocket-sized camera is really designed to be a premium point-and-shoot camera. So you also have this front ring, which is very handy. Me personally, I like to set it to change my aperture, as I mostly shoot on aperture priority mode in this camera. So folks, stay tuned for more black and white photography adventures with the Fujifilm XQ1. We'll be exploring different recipes and sharing the stunning results. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join me on this photographic roller coaster. Until next time, and keep snapping and keep it budget tight. Au revoir and enjoy.